Final 4, take Padmasana, but try it entering Padmasana this way. If you have difficulties with Padmasana, lotus position, like so many Westerners do, like I did myself, there's an easy way and a hard way. I'll try and show you the easy way. Draw the knee as high as possible, stretching out this connective tissue. Then just let the knee fall out to the right hand side. Now lift the heel towards the navel and rotate the leg round, pointing the toe to protect the knee joint. Open the calf muscle, and there you are. Never hold it more than is comfortable. If you just build up to Padmasana, go in, go out, go in, go out, it is the safest way to go forward. Don't hold past your own capacity, otherwise you will end up with an injury. Bring the left leg in. Padmasana. Catch the feet with the hands. Baddha Padmasana. Exhale down, chin to the floor if possible. Yoga Mudra A, looking forward through the third eye. 10 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up, Yoga Mudra B. Take the hands 1 foot back. Lift the chest, use the psoas muscles. Use the sternum, lifting the chest, open the shoulders. Relax the neck, Dristi, third eye. Uddiyana in, breathe into the top of the lungs, full yogic breath. 1, 2, try to get the knees onto the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, up, straight back. Padmasana. Hand mudra, straight back like Buddha, all 3 bandhas engaged. Breathing into the top of the lungs, full yogic breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one, Utplutihi, lift up, don't come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down, inhale up Vinyasa. Exhale, Chatwari, jump back. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, jump forward, straight legs, sit down.